Is your sent email missing from your email sent box? Hi there, this is Eve, and here is how you can recover and find out your missing sent email on your iPhone. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Solution 1. Undo sent delay. Open setting, scroll down, tap email, scroll down, tap undo send delay, select off. Solution 2. Select the right email and check your resend cycle. Open setting, scroll down, tap email, tap account, choose your email account, turn on the mail option. After this setting, please go ahead and check your issue. Now, if you still have issues, open the mail app, come on to this page, scroll down, tap bin. Now check whether you find your missing sent email or not. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of sent emails not appearing in the sent folder on your iPhone. But if you still have issues, please ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.